Hello, my name is Naren. I'm from Iwa Academy in Andong. Today, I will talk about the story, The Food We Eat. I have a question for you. Where do you come from? Of course, you come from Korea. Me too. Here's another question. Where does milk come from? Right. It comes from cows, and cows are animals. Cheese also comes from cows. Have you tried omelette? I enjoy them often at school. My school serves them every Monday. Omelette are made from eggs, and eggs are from chicken. Wow, animals give us many things. Do you like hamburgers? My family often go to Rotteria to eat delicious hamburgers. I wonder why hamburgers are so yummy. This week I wondered why they are so delicious. Hamburger meat is made from beef and it comes from cattle. Wow, it is so fun to learn about them Star Wars. Animals give us many delicious things. Do you like bagels? It's yummy with cheese. I like them. Where do bagels come from? Yes, they come from wheat, and wheat go from the wheat plant. Can I ask one more question? Where does popcorn come from? It comes from corn kernel, which comes from the corn plant. I wonder that plant and animal give us many things to eat. Thank you, plant and animals.